Looking for a great hosting solution? Check our website for prices. First, what you need to do is to update the server packages. You can do this by the following command. To install WireShark, a network protocol analyzer, on your server, run the following command. Once the WireShark is installed, just go into your desktop. There will be an icon of WireShark. Click on that icon and the WireShark will be launched. From now on you can start work with WireShark. That's it. If you have any question, please leave them in comments.